Welcome to 6255 Pacific Point in the highly desirable boardwalk community of Huntington Beach. Now, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo is listed by Diane Katinsky with 7 Gables Real Estate. It's listed for $960,000 and it's been completely remodeled. Now, stepping into the living room area, one thing I really love is the gas fireplace, of course. I like the bookshelves on either side, but there's so much light in this condo. Also, the high ceilings are just fabulous. Now, stepping up to the family room, the dining room, one thing I want to point out is that Diane, in addition to being a realtor with 7 Gables, she's also a renowned interior designer, and she has brought all her game to this one. Let me tell you something. Now look at the large eat-in dining room. You could probably seat about 12 people in here. One thing I love is Diane's really cool taste for adding a little bit of the glitz and the glam, yet also keeping true to the feeling of the beach. Now, she put in the vinyl plank flooring. Now, what I love about the vinyl plank flooring is it looks and feels like hardwood, but it's really durable and it will serve you for years. Now, stepping into the great room kitchen, we all love this. There's plenty of room in here for either a seating area, or you can once again have another table in here if that's what your style is for entertaining. But check out the lighting. I just love the sense of class and a little bit of romance. Another thing I really like is Diane has plantation shutters almost throughout the whole unit here. Now, stepping into the kitchen area, what she did was she put all new quartz countertops. She put the marble backsplash. Of course, there's a really cool farmhouse sink. The other thing I really love, in addition to the cool farmhouse sink and the upgraded fixture, is there's a Viking stovetop. That's really cool. Also a stainless steel refrigerator and double oven, so there's plenty of room to entertain in here. Now, as you notice, there's white throughout the home here. Now, the reason Diane did this is basically to keep it in line with the feeling of romance, a touch of class, but also the beach feel. But you can bring in your own colors. Bring in whatever color you want, since the base of this property is all white. Now let's check out the upstairs. All right, now stepping into the large master bedroom, one thing I really like is the walk-in closet. There's all kinds of room in there for clothes and basically keeping organized, which I love. The other thing that's kind of cool is there's a separate little balcony off the master bedroom, which is always cool to take a little breath of fresh air outside. But check out this master bathroom. My God, Diane really outdid herself on this one. Once again, keeping true with Diane's taste for a little bit of romance, a little class. She has a really cool chandelier in here over this fabulous jacuzzi tub. Let's take a look at that jacuzzi tub right there. I just love that. Lots of room to relax after a hard day's work. The other thing I really like is most of us like a little touch of black. And Diane has a fabulous black countertop, of course dual sinks, but check out this shower. I mean, that's just fabulous. I love the feature strip she did, feature strip in the tile. Of course, there's 2 shower heads, one for your body, one for your head. What can be better than that? So this master suite really is all about the romance and all about the glitz, and keeping it true with an easy breezy Huntington Beach lifestyle. Now let's check out the rest of the upstairs. There's a lot of room here for, of course, your linens. I love that. Now the second bathroom, once again, Diane kept true in the theme of a lot of the white inside the property, so you can make it your own. She has double sinks in the guest bathroom, of course, and there's a really cool shower over tub. Once again, one of Diane's feature kind of design tips is putting a feature strip in the shower over the tub, just to make it a little bit more custom. And of course, the other thing that's really fabulous is, let me turn the light here, she has an upstairs laundry area, and I love that, so you don't have to go up and down the stairs to do your laundry. Of course, there's 2 additional bedrooms. Both of them are really good sized rooms. So once again, Diane put a lot of thought into what she was going to include in her remodeling, her upgrades. I love it. Now let's take a final look downstairs. So once again, there's nothing better than living in Huntington Beach, and here at 6255 Pacific Point, right in the highly desirable boardwalk community. This can be yours. Once again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, listed for $960,000. Give Diane Katinsky a call. Of course, she's a realtor with 7 Gables, but she's also a renowned designer here in Huntington Beach. Give her a call at 714-420-3664.